Hey guys, it's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right guys, today we're in Dallas, Texas. We are in the North Lake Highlands neighborhood, pretty close to White Rock Lake. We're about 20 minutes to downtown Dallas and about 35 to 40 minutes to DFW Airport. This is East Dallas, by the way. So that being said, Sheila gives more information about this one.
Yes, and it's actually the L Streets. It's built in 2024 by LWI Custom Homes. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 4,140 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,891,000, which is $457 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.18 acre lot, which is roughly 8,200 square feet.
Fantastic. Thank you, Sheila, for that information. Now, guys, I want to remind you, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, and you want to partner with true luxury agents with over 10 years experience, well, that's Sheila and I. You get 2 agents instead of 1, and also we're part of the #1 luxury broker in town, which is Allie Beth Allman and Associates. Oh, and by the way, this is the first house in Dallas that has a basement. Pretty cool,
and
huh?
it also has a generator,
a home generator, has all these different features.
Air purifier,
home water filtration, a lot of cool features that most homes don't have. But anyways, let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Or perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.